Hello everyone. Today I am going to be opening up a box of 2019 Score. Got this today. It was pretty much the only thing they had. They had that, and they had a box of 2020-21 MVP hockey. Got those two. I showed that video earlier. So, let's get this opened up. Alright. Nothing like opening up a new box of cards. Alright. Set those here, we'll make two piles. How's that? Alright. See what we can get. JJ Watt. See something sparkling back here in the back. Joe Mixon, Wayne Gallman, TJ McDonald, Shaquin Barkley, Jason Pierre-Paul, Luke Wilson. There you go. Epics of Drew Brees. Tyler Lockett, Celebration. Byron Murphy, rookie card. Kyle Shermer, Ed Oliver. Not bad. Nothing real great in that one. Sorry about the shaky camera. Alright. Starting us off with Jordy Nelson. Sharp, Phillip Rivers, Gronkowski, there we go, Marshawn Lattimore, Eric Armstead, what we got here, Jarvis Landry, there we go, got a gold Jarvis Landry, I don't know if that's numbered or anything, no. Got a Jared Jefferson collar. Got a AJ Brown rookie draft. Karan Higdon. TJ Hawkinson. And a little Jordan Humphrey. Not bad, not bad. Sit here and take out these other ones that I want to set aside. Alright, that's good. Let's grab another pack. Derrick Henry, Chris Harris Jr., Eli Manning, Kenny Stills, Michael Gallup, DeForest Buckner, Julius Peppers, Baker Mayfield, not bad, Huddle Up card, Los Angeles. What kind of rookies we got? DeAndre McBaker, Andy Isabella, Alex Barnes. Still no rookies, no real big hits that I see. If I missed something, just let me know. But so far, I haven't seen anything to brag about. Still looking for maybe an autograph or a thick card or something. There we go. Eric Brown, or Ebron, excuse me. Travis Kellis, Telvin Smith. We got another Gronkowski, Leitner, Vladimir, John Heckner. There you go. I got a silver Greg Olson. Set that one aside. Then we got, look at there, Julio Jones. Throwback. Not bad. There you go. Dwayne Haskins, Ohio State. Devin Singletary. And there we go. Got a Nick Bosa. All you Ohio State fans out there. And Rodney Anderson. I am from Ohio, so I am a Buckeyes fan. I do like the Buckeyes. So I like seeing those. Alright. We got Chester Rogers. Steven Nelson. Jalen Smith. Chris Hendren fourth. Turn it over here. Got Shaq Thompson with John Johnson. Vic Beasley Jr. There we go. There we go. Nice Aaron Rodgers. Throwback. Very nice. We got a captain card of Todd Gurley. And our rookies are Mac Wilson, Paris Campbell, and Amani. I'm not even going to try. Alright. Getting a little better. Ooh, this one feels kind of thick. Yeah. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just thinking. Let's see what we get. I guess not. Let's set that out of the way over there. So we got Jalen Ramsey, Justin Houston. Got another gold card back here. Lorenzo Alexander, Alshon Jeffrey, Chase Edmonds, Stephen Diggs, Randall Cobb Gold. I'll set that aside. Then followed up by an Ezekiel Elliott. There you go. All you Cowboy fans. And what we got here? Adam Thielen, Fantasy Stars. We got a couple rookies. We got Brett Rippon, Rock Sason, and Jarrett Stidham. All right. Let's grab another one. See what we can find here. We got Ty Hilton, Nick Chubb, Will Fuller, Tre'Davious White, Alec Ogletree, David Johnson, Randall Cobb. What do we got here? It's awful sparkly. DeAndre Hopkins. That's a nice looking card. Or we got a Clinton Farrell, Jacques Patrick, Jeffrey Simmons, and Quinn Williams. Alright, let's try another one. Still have not pulled any rookies or anything. Don't seem to be a fat pack or anything. It's just over there. Alright. Jordan Wilkins, Marlon Mack, Zach Hurts, Tremaine Edmonds, Trevin Coleman, Bubba Baker, Latavius Murray. Oh, what do we got here? Marcus Mariota, sign caller. Sit that over here. We got Christian McCaffrey. Rookies, we got Trevon Mullen, Antone Wisely, and Devin Bush. Nothing real big. Nothing real big. Alright, looks like we got 3 packs left. I'm going to go with this one. I don't know if that might be a thick card, guys. We may have got a good hit. Let's see what we got. We got Baker Mayfield, Demarius Thompson, Evan Ingram, Matt Milano, Josh Rosen. Ooh, there you go. Aaron Rodgers. Alright. I'm going to take these. Let's see, let's go there. Alejandro Villanova. Sean Lee. Hakeem Butler. Jacoby Myers. Clayton Thorson. Let's see what we reveal in here. We got a little bit of a thick card. What we got? What we got? Let's see who it is. Oh, it's upside down. Maybe we should. Oh, here. Let's see. Let's do it like this. There we go. Which way's up? Okay, there's his head. We'll go this way. Who is it? Oh, looky there. Kyle Randolph, jersey card. Not a bad hit right there. Tight end, home and away. Kyle Randolph. Very nice. I like that one. Definitely gonna sleeve that one up real quick. Haven't had a hit on these in a while. There we go. First NFL patch card. That's my first one of those. As you can see, I got a couple cards here. I got some other patch cards, so I just don't have them out. But that's my first football one, I believe. Alright, so we got 2 packs left. See if we can get another good hit like that. Let's see here. Alright. Lamar Jackson. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Had a little interruption there. So we were on Lamar Jackson. Jarvis Landry. Nelson Aguilar. Danny Amendola. Larry Fitzgerald. Kirk Cousins. Sign callers. Andrew Luck. I am a Colts fan, I will admit. I like Andrew Luck. I liked Manning when he was there better, but that's another story. Clayton Cole. Oh, there you go. Dak Prescott, captain. Then we got L.J. Scott, Julian Love, and Elijah Holyfield. All right. Last pack, guys. Last chance. get something really good. So far we've only had one really nice hit. Had a couple gold cards, silver card. I don't see anything really thick. I wouldn't expect there to be more than one in a box anyways. So I'm going to start off. There you go, Cincinnati, there you go. Andy Dalton, Maurice Hurst, Frank Gore. I used to be a fan of his when he was with the Niners. Deshaun Jackson, Shaquille Griffin, Taysom Hill. Oh, this is weird. Look here. Got a gold DK Metcalf. That's nice. I like that one. I think I'll sleeve that one up here in a second. Got a Aaron Rodgers signed collars. Matthew Stafford captains. Miles Sanders, CJ Conrad, and Mike Weber. Well, all in all, I would say the only special ones that I've seen come out are probably those four. The rest of them are insert cards. Oh, sorry, almost forgot one. Let me get a sleeve for it. That last one, that gold DK Metcalf. Thanks for watching, guys.